Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about every Google app that you can use to increase your productivity. We have talked a lot about productivity in the previous videos. Now we will talk about Google productivity apps that you can use to add more value to your productive life. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. Without wasting your time, let's get started. As you can see, this is the Google Workspace and you can find almost every Google app here. And we will talk about each app one by one. The first app I want to talk about is called Gmail. Gmail is a very productive app which you can use to send and receive emails. I'm sure you know about it. Everybody knows about it, but right now we are just talking about it, so that's why I am explaining. So you can get custom emails and you can reverse integrations into your email, and there are some functions that you can use in Gmail. Alright, and the next app is called Google Meet. Google Meet is another app which you can use to join meetings, and you can do group meetings and you can meet each other on the Google Meet. Here, as you can see, you can connect in office or remotely, and there are pretty much every option that you need. You can explore it further. And the next app is called Google Chat. Google Chat is a messaging and group collaboration app which you can use to send direct messages to group conversations and help team collaborate fluidly and efficiently from anywhere. And you can see all of your messages in one place in Google Chat. Alright, the next app is called Google Calendar. Google Calendar is an amazing app which you can use to organize your events, to add reminders, and you can also see any special events in the months, etc. And you can integrate online calendar, and you can also schedule your meetings in Google Calendar, as there are many options available in Google Calendar. Alright, and the next app is called Google Drive. Google Drive is another app which you can use to store, access, and share your files in one secure place. You can store any and every file and access your files anytime, anywhere from your desktop and mobile devices. And you can also share your files with other peoples in Google Drive, privately or publicly as well. And you can also get all the storage capacity you need. You would get, I think, 15 GBs for free. If you want more space, then you can buy it from Google. And you can also organize your team files in a shared space. The next app is called Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and Sites. These are pretty much same apps which you can use to save your documents, create your documents, sheets and slides, etc. And you can also create your forms and sites, etc. You can see, you can check it out. So Google Docs is pretty much same to Microsoft Word, and you can create, edit text documents right in your browser, and no dedicated software is required. Multiple people can work at the same time, and every change is saved automatically. You can command, chat, and real-time editing, and you can also edit all popular types in Google Sheet. And Google Forms are easy to create surveys and forms for everyone. You can create custom forms for surveys and questions at no extra cost, so you can use it to create forms, and you can analyze responses with automatic summaries. Next app is Google Sheets. You can collaborate, smart, secure spreadsheet, fast-moving organizations. This is pretty much same to Microsoft Excel. I think Sheets was designed with the need of agile organization in mind, and you can also get insights powered by Google AI, and you can collaborate with works across Sheets and Excel, Microsoft Excel. And you can also maintain control with enterprise-grade security, analyze data from multiple sources including BigQuery, etc. Alright, and the Google Sites are effortlessly create impactful team sites which you can use to collaborate, create, and engage high-quality sites for your team, project, or event. The site look great on every screen from desktop to smartphone, all without learning design or programming. So you don't need to learn any kind of skill to create a site on Google Sites. Your content automatically looks its best across devices, and you can use Google Sites to create beautiful presentations, and you can edit polished presentations in your browser. No software is required. Alright, the next app is called Google Keep, And Google Keep is an amazing app which you can use to save your notes, and you can capture what's important and get more done. And you can also add your to-do list, collaborate with your teammates, and set reminders to stay on track. So everything syncs across your devices, so you can see what's important always in the reach. And you can see you can create a to-do list, you can update notes anytime and anywhere, and you can organize your real life, and you can be more productive by using Google Keep. The next app is called 𝗙liche𝗹𝗹𝟎, Cloud and Jamboard, etc. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you in the next video.